If you're wondering whether Nebius AI Studio is actually worth your time, or just another AI tool riding the hype, this video is going to break it all down. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one, it's got some serious potential. Stick around, because some of the features toward the end are game changers. You can try Nebius AI Studio completely free. The link's in the description below. No credit card needed, and you'll want to see what it can actually do for your workflow. Now, let's get into the 7 crucial things you need to know. First, Nebius AI Studio isn't just a text generator, it's a full-stack AI development environment. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for building, deploying, and scaling AI solutions. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or marketer, this platform lets you go from idea to implementation without ever leaving the dashboard. Second, it's designed for scalability out of the box. You can build something lightweight for internal use, or spin up production-ready AI models and apps using their integrated infrastructure. You don't need to stitch together 5 different platforms anymore. That alone saves hours. Third, it supports custom model training using your own data, or you can fine-tune their foundation models. This makes it incredibly flexible for niche business needs. If you're in digital marketing, for example, you can train the model on your brand voice, historical campaigns, or even customer support transcripts to get laser-focused outputs. Fourth, Nebius AI Studio integrates deeply with cloud services, which makes deployment seamless. You're not just generating outputs and copy-pasting them into tools, you're deploying full services with APIs, triggers, and version control. If you've used AWS SageMaker or Google Vertex, this feels like their more user-friendly cousin. Fifth, you can build AI workflows visually. No-code and low-code tools are built into the platform, so even if you're not a technical user, you can still create powerful automations. And for the devs watching, yes, you can jump into the code whenever you want. Sixth, real-time collaboration is baked in. You can have your entire team, whether that's data scientists, marketers, or developers, working in the same environment without tool switching. That's a massive win for agencies and startups working across functions. Seventh, and this one really sets it apart, Nebius AI Studio gives you full control over cost and performance. You can auto-scale compute power based on demand and get granular visibility into how each part of your pipeline is performing. For anyone who's scaled AI tools before, you know how important this is. So if you've been looking for a serious all-in-one AI platform, not just another gimmicky chatbot, Nebius AI Studio might be the most exciting new AI software release of the year. And again, you can try it completely free from the first link below. Plus, I've listed my top recommended AI software tools in the description. These are the ones that pass the test after using literally thousands of AI platforms. If you're serious about getting ahead with AI, especially in digital marketing or product development, this is the time to start experimenting. Go check it out.